Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, we have been discussing about chapter 19, fundamental operations, in that multiplication of algebraic expressions or multiplication of polynomials. So, let's discuss the homework answers first. First question, in that seventh one, 1 into 8 equal to 8 and a square xy square into 8a cube x square y. You will get the answer 8a raised to 5 x cube y cube. Okay. Eighth question, 15 into 3 equal to 45 and 15x into 3x raised to 5 into y raised to 2. Okay, so you will get the answer 45x raised to the power 6 y raised to the power 2. Next, second question, seventh one, minus 5 into minus 3x into 5x square. You will get the answer 75x cube. Eighth question, 8 into minus 4xy square into 3x cube y square. So your answer will be minus 96x raised to the power 4 y raised to the power 4. Okay. Ninth one, minus 4x into 5xy into 3z. The answer will be minus 60x square yz. 10th question, 5x into 2x square y into minus 7y cube into 2x cube y square. So the answer will be minus 140x raised to the power 6 y raised to the power 6. Third question, find the value of first one, 3x cube into 5x raised to 4. Okay, so we need to find the product of 3x cube and 5x raised to 4. So we can split it like this, 3 into 5 into x cube into x raised to 4. That is, numbers we group together, then variables we group. Okay, now we know 3 into 5, it is 15 into x cube into x raised to 4. So this is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. This is called the product law. Okay, so we can apply product law here. X raised to 3 into x raised to 4. So what it will be? In place of a it is 6, in place of m it is 3, in place of n it is 4. So x raised to powers are added, so 3 plus 4, you will get x raised to 7. Okay, so 15 into x raised to 7, that is 15x raised to 7 is the answer. Okay, second question, 5a square into 7a raised to 7. So we can split it like this, 5 into 7 into a square into a raised to 7. Okay, now 5 into 7 you know, 35 into a square into a raised to 7. So we know a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So what is a square into a raised to 7? We will get a raised to powers are added. Okay, 2 plus 7. You will get a raised to 9. Okay, so 35 into a raised to 9. You will get the answer 35 a raised to 9. Okay. Next, fifth question, 2x square y cube into 5x cube y raised to the power 4. So we can split like this, 2 into 5 into, next we can write x. So x square into x cube into, next we can write y. So y cube into y raised to 4. Okay, so you know 2 into 5 it is 10 into x square into x cube. So with the same, they have the same base x, then only we can multiply them. Okay, if the base is x and the base is y, means we can't multiply. Okay, if the same base and different or equal powers, means we can add the powers. Okay, so x square into x cube, this is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, so here we can write the same base x, then we can add the powers 2 plus 3. Okay, if two exponents you have to multiply, and they have the same base. With the same base means you can write the same base, then you can add the powers. So 2 plus 3, x raised to 2 plus 3. So here you can write x raised to 2 plus 3 into, here also in place of base it is y here. Okay, both the numbers has y as base, so y cube into y raised to 4. So here the base is the same, and you need to multiply. Okay, in case of multiplication only you can add the powers. So, and you need to multiply here two exponents, and base is the same, so you can put the same base in the answer also. Then powers you have to add, so 3 and 4, so 5 raised to 3 plus 4 it will be. Okay, y raised to 3 plus 4. So what you will get? 10, x raised to 2 plus 3 it is 5, y raised to 3 plus 4 it is 7. Okay, so this will be the answer. 10x raised to 5, y raised to 7. Okay. Sixth one, ABC into BCD. So here we can group like terms first. So A, only one A is there, so you can write A into, next two B's are there, so B into B into, two C's are there, so C into C into, next one D is there. Okay, so D. Okay, so it is over. Now A into B into B means B raised to 1 into B raised to 1 it is. Okay, so B raised to 1 into B raised to 1, they have the same base and we need to multiply. That only we need to look. Okay, powers can be equal or different. So here they have the same base, so B. Now we need to multiply, so we'll add the powers. So 1 plus 1, you will get B square. Okay, so B raised to 1 into B raised to 1, or B into B, it is B square into, next C into C, same way as we did for B, C into C, C raised to 1 into C raised to 1, it is C square into 1D. Okay, so A, B square, C square, D. This is the answer. Okay. So far we have been doing multiplication of two monomials. Okay, that is, there is no plus or minus sign coming in the question. Okay, our next topic is multiplication of a binomial by a monomial. Okay, so binomial means an algebraic expression having two terms. Okay, monomial means an algebraic expression having only one term. And you know one thing, the terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Okay, so in a monomial there will be no plus or minus sign. Okay, but in a binomial there will be one plus or minus sign. Okay, so first question, for A plus B, multiply A plus B by AB. Okay, you need to multiply this. So here A plus B, this is a binomial. Okay, here two terms are there and they are separated by plus sign. Okay, so A is one term and B is another term, so A plus B, that is a binomial. And AB is a single term. Okay, AB means A into B. We know multiplication and division does not separate terms, only plus or minus sign. Okay, we'll separate the term. So AB is a single term, one term, that is monomial. A plus B is binomial. Now multiplying A plus B, we can put a bracket instead of into. Okay, bracket means you need to multiply. Okay, A plus B into AB. Okay, in this way we need to write. Okay, if you are multiplying a binomial by a monomial, you need to put a bracket for binomial. Okay, so A plus B into AB. Now what to do is multiply this AB inside the bracket, that is AB you need to multiply with the A first, then AB you need to multiply with the B second. Okay, that is A into or AB into A. Okay, first you are doing AB is multiplied with the A. The given monomial is multiplied with the first term of the binomial. Okay, so AB into A. Then here the sign is plus, so put plus sign. Next, AB is multiplied with the second term. So AB into B. Okay, now we know AB into A means A into B. 2 times A and 1 time B. Okay, plus A B into B, that is A into B into B. Okay, now A into A, that is A raised to 1 into A raised to 1. It is A raised to 1 plus 1. We know that rule. A raised to m into A raised to n equal to A raised to m plus n. If you are multiplying, we always use this. Okay, this is product law. So A raised to 1 into A raised to 1, it is A raised to 1 plus 1. Okay, that is A raised to 2. So A square or A raised to 2B, 1B is here, plus next A into B, that is A into B, that is B raised to 1 into B raised to 1, it is B raised to 1 plus 1, that we will get a B square. Okay, so A B square. Okay, in the first case we got A square B, in the second one it is AB square. So this is the final answer. Okay, so we need to multiply the given monomial by all the terms of the binomial. Okay, now we need to add that also. Since it is plus sign here, we need to add. If it is minus sign means we need to subtract it. In this way we can do the multiplication of a binomial by a monomial. Next question is 3AB minus 4B by 3AB. So how can you write this? 3AB minus 4B. This is a binomial. It has two terms, 3AB and 4B, and they are separated by minus sign. So 3AB minus 4B you can put in one bracket. That means you have to do the multiplication. Okay, 3AB minus 4B into 3AB. 3AB is a monomial. Okay, there is no plus or minus sign here. So it contains only one term, that is it is a monomial. Now 3AB minus 4B into 3AB. So you need to multiply this monomial 3AB by all the terms of the binomial. Okay, so first 3AB into 3AB. 3AB into 3AB first. Okay, here it is minus sign, so put minus sign. Next 3AB into 4B. Okay, so 3AB into 4B. Put that in another bracket. Okay, now we know 3 into 3, 9. A into A, 2 A's are there. Okay, A into A, it is A square. B into B, it is B square. Minus, next 3 into 4, it is 12. Only one A is there, so you can write 1A. Then B into B, it is B square. So the answer it is 9A square B square minus 12AB square. Next question, 2xy minus 5by by 4bx. So 2xy minus 5by contains two terms and they are separated by minus sign. It is a binomial. Okay, and 4bx, it is a monomial. So you can write 2xy minus 5by in one bracket. You need to multiply that with the monomial 4bx. Okay, so if you are multiplying a binomial with a monomial, multiply the monomial with the two terms of the binomial. Okay, so 4bx is multiplied by the first term 2xy first, then 4bx is multiplied with the second term 5by. Okay, so first 4bx into 2xy. Okay, in one bracket. Here the sign is minus, so put minus. Next 4bx into 5by. So 4bx into 5by in another bracket. Okay. Then 4 into 2, it is 8. X into x. X into x, it is x square. Next b, 1b is there. Here 1y is there. So you can write by. Okay, you can also write 8bx square y. Anyways, you can write. Okay, if you change the order, means there is no problem in that. Next minus 4 into 5, that is 20. B into b, 2 b's are there, so b square, 1x and 1y, so xy. So the answer is 8x square by minus 20b square xy. Next 4x plus 2y by 3xy. So 4x plus 2y is a binomial. It has two terms and the terms are separated by plus sign. Now 3xy is a monomial. It contains only one term. There is no plus or minus sign. Now we need to multiply this. So 4x plus 2y in one bracket into 3xy. Okay. So you are multiplying a binomial with a monomial. Okay. So while doing multiplication, multiply this monomial with the two terms of the binomial. So first 3xy is multiplied by 4x. Okay. 3xy into 4x in one bracket. Here the sign is plus sign, so write plus sign. Okay. Next 3xy is multiplied by the second term, that is 2y. Okay. So 3xy into 2y. Okay. Now you can multiply. So 3 into 4, that is 12. X into x, that is x square. Okay. X into x, it is x square. Y into y, it is y square. 5 into 5, it is 5 square. A into a, it is a square. Okay, that you must know that. Then 1y is there. You can write that. So 12x square y plus, now next 3 into 2, it is 6. Now one x is there, so you can write that x. Now y into y, it is y square. So the answer is 12x square y plus 6xy square. Next fifth one, multiply x square minus x by 2x. So x square minus x, this is a binomial. It contains two terms and they are separated by minus sign. Okay. 2x is a monomial. It contains only one term. So we need to multiply x square minus x. This we can put in one bracket by the monomial 2x. Okay, so what we do? Multiply this monomial by all the terms of the binomial. So first 2x into x square. Okay, in one bracket. In what the sign? Here minus sign. So minus, next 2x into x. Okay, so 2x into x. You can put in another bracket. Now 2x into x square, that is 2 into x square it is. Okay, minus 2x into x, that is 2 into x it is. Okay, Now 2 into x square. That means x raised to 1 it is. Okay. So x raised to 1 into x square. You know a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Product law. Okay. So x raised to 1 into x raised to 2, it is x raised to 1 plus 2. You will get x raised to 3. Okay. Here the same base and we need to multiply these exponents. So we can use product law. So you can put the same base and their powers are added. So 1 plus 2. Okay. So x cube you will get. So the answer is 2x cube. Okay. Minus next 2 into x into x. So x into x it is x square. Okay. So 2x square. So the answer is 2x cube minus 2x square. Okay. So homework exercise 19C. Third question 3 and 4 and fourth question 6, 7 and 8. Do this as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.